Oyo Sokoto.
Wow, my beloved brother.
Yes, sir.
Bros, you're too much, oh. You know you're three much, oh.
Are you serious?
Go carry 4, enter inside.
Are you serious?
You are three much, oh.
Are you
Plus 4
serious?
plus 5 plus 6. Bros, listen here, I just want to say, lots of people have gathered here just for your sake. You must be something very special to them. Because I interviewed a few people who testified some positive things about you. I can't just imagine.
It's not about Wilson. It's about the gift God has given me. I am so proud of them, and I'm so happy that they are here tonight to support Wilson Nwanne. Igbo gentlemen are here. A lot of dignitaries are here. Chukwu Echetagum
God has remembered
simply means God has remembered me.
Me too,
You know,
amen.
and I believe this is a prayer that will affect every life here tonight.
Good evening, gentlemen. You guys look amazing.
Thank you.
Can we start? You look really good. Can we start by knowing your names, please?
Charles Diru. I'm Frank Oti.
Zedon.
Wow.
And I'm Prince Henry.
Princess Iheanacho.
Wow. Is this a team or an organization or what is this?
We leave that to Prince to answer.
Okay.
I think it's this.
All right. We are kind of a group called the Gentleman Group. Igbo Gentleman. So that's why we are here today to support one of us whose name is Wilson Nwanne, on the album titled Chukwu Elutegom.
Wow.
That means God has remembered me, which means God has done marvelously well for him, and that's why we are all here. You can see as many people here gathered together today to celebrate with him.
Wow. Okay. There's this saying that Wilson is the African microphone magician. Do you believe in that? I just want to know if you concur to what he's saying, because I do.
Absolutely, 100%. It's the only
Absolutely, very correct. That's why it's called the man with a golden voice.
Yes, of course, and you have to see that African thing rooted from Igbo land. So it's important we start from the beginning, the source. Yes, I do concur.
Lovely. Is that the ability to say?
Yeah, this is Igbo Gentleman Club in UK. Wilson is one of our group, and we've come to cheer him up and to tell him that the group can never let him down. His music has started.
Yes, sir.
He's going to go to the highest height.
Amen.
As far as this group, the Igbo Gentlemen in UK are concerned, we are going to make something greater for him.
Amen. Amen.
So
I got to say that Wilson Nwanne is one of us. So
he's one of us. He's with us. Our name will be heard today.
Amen.
At least UK will know of us today.
Amen.
You have to give him the greatest of support, you know? Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
Oh yes, like they said, we are Igbo Gentleman Club UK, and Wilson Nwanne is one of us. We are here, actually, our club is a social club, and our aim is just to help each other, to be there when they are needed. And that's why we are here, to give our brother a supporting moral and financial what we can. So as you can see, we are just a few of us here. There are so many of us out there. Some are in Scotland, some are some other place. So we are just here to give a big hand to our brother.
Any boy, any man, any gentleman you see here on red and black suit is Igbo gentleman.
Wow.
We are many have not come. We've just come because of the red carpet. It's just 20 minutes for us to represent the people who are not here. And we are calling all the UK for them to know that we are in town.
Wow.
We've started, and our aim is to bring men together, to make things happening in UK, to make our group to be the best, to make our group members like Wilson to go on in flying colors.
Amen.
So as we are here, most of our group's members that are still coming, we are still coming out again. We are going to the high table to make him go on with his music and to spread the dollars.
Thank you so much for joining me. I believe you're going to have so much fun because the spirit burning in every one of you is amazing. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you. Thank you.
Maka n'ife melo na Sokoto, na Sokoto, na Sokoto. Obasalu foto. Ona fuga na mule wane musalu foto. Sesia foto wane mewe bezenu niwe no. Na muka ya mana foto. Manage jinu foto amalonye maloma.